Okay. Yeah. It's been a while. I don't know where it is. And I thought I left here. Where is it now? Or is it this side? Let me see. Wow. Such a beauty. Yeah. Yeah. Beautiful. Hello? Hello? Excuse me. Hello? I'm very sorry. My name is Henry.
Scholar.
Scholar. Hey, you're such a beautiful lady.
Thank you.
No, it was just a compliment. I just need to talk to you. Can I talk to you? Scholar. 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 Scholar.
What?
Scholar.
What?
What is it?
What is it?
Yes, I have just been calling you ever since.
What
is
do you
happening?
want?
Eh?
What do you want?
No, it's you that I want. Are you coming from this kingdom?
Yes.
And how comes this kind of beauty you have never seen it?
Go straight to the point. What do you want?
Okay, it's you that I want. I really love you.
I'm not interested.
No, it's not a matter of being interested. Huh? It's a matter of what I feel for you. So, you know, it's very important.
Love, like feeling has to go two ways. I don't feel for you.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Scholar.
What?
Scholar. This kind of beauty.
So?
Just why am I not handsome enough?
Maybe.
How?
Okay, handsomeness is opinion. Maybe to me you're not
It's
handsome.
opinion.
Yes.
No,
You're not handsome.
But in real sense, I just need you. I've seen you and there's this feeling that I have for you. So I'll be glad if you give me the chance maybe to show you what I'm made of. If you don't mind.
I was actually going to get fired before you rudely stopped me on the way.
No, not rudely. I've said excuse, that's why.
I don't want to listen to you. Me, I'm busy.
Are you sure?
Yes. There's someone I want, not you. Not
Someone
even close
that
to
you want?
Yes.
No, you know it's me and I'll come for you. That beauty. I'm coming for you. Hey, wonder shall never end. You can also be desperate for a man.
I can only be desperate for a perfect gentleman, a smart guy.
Hey.
I love you, my king. Don't mind this skeleton.
Princess. Hey, I've never seen someone very beautiful and at the same time is very stupid. I thought there is something in this thick skull of yours.
Useless man. What do you think you are? He is my man.
So?
At least he's doing well for himself.
Then?
Unlike you,
is that the
roaming
reason
around
why
the forest, catching mosquitoes, not even bushmeat. I don't even know what I'm looking for.
Hey, useless. At least go make yourself useful.
Don't let me insult you.
come to think of it, nowadays the tables have turned around. That now ladies are the ones who are chasing men. And this beautiful, stupid lady is just... Hey! And she doesn't even have manners. She's just talking to me the way she wants. Hey! Hey, this world. This world. Wonder shall never end. Hey, I even thought that, but it come to think of it also. Her parents are also very confident that they have a girl, or they have a child. I'm very sure. I'm very sure they buried a child and remain with the placenta just walking around. Ah, this is very stupid.
Princess,
What?
just listen to me. Come on. Princess, come on, listen to me. Listen to me. I'm very sorry.
I don't care.
I don't know.
I don't
scholar.
care. Go back to your
Come
scholar.
on.
Go back to your scholar.
She's not my scholar. She's the one forcing issues here. I'm not into her.
You think I didn't see you? Leave me alone.
Come on, princess.
Nelson.
You know I love you.
I don't care.
Come on.
Go back to your
I'm very sorry actually.
I'm going back
I don't
to
know
my kingdom.
scholar. She just come from our kingdom, but
I don't care.
she been after
Leave me
back.
alone.
I don't love her, so you don't trust me. Please, I'm very sorry. Okay?
I'm going back to my kingdom. Leave me.
Don't say that.
I'm going back today.
They chased you away.
I don't care. I better stay
No,
there.
you can't go there. Princess, no. You can't go there. Come on.
Leave me alone.
Come on, princess.
Leave me alone.
Stop this, please. You know I love you, and I don't love Scholar. She's the one chasing me. I only love you. Please.
Are you sure?
Yes, very sure. I'm very sorry, and it will never happen again, okay? So, have you forgiven me?
Somehow.
Not somehow. Come on, be specific. Have you forgiven me? That's my good girl. Okay? But it won't happen again, okay? I promise.
Let's go home.
Let's go home. But I'm very sorry, okay? I promise I will never do that again.
Are you sure?
I will never accept her. Okay, so princess, let's go home. So, okay. So what are we going to eat? Are you going to partake?
I'm still mad at you.
I know, but don't worry, okay?
Are you planning to marry her?
No, me, I don't love her. I love you.
But you are both talking about marriage.
She's forcing me to marry her, but I don't love her. Come on, princess, okay?
Okay.
You're the only girl that I love.
I'm sure.
Yes, very sure. Okay, so princess, today we're just visiting our own forest. Relax. No hunting. Like, I don't trust the weather, actually. Are you tired? You seem to be tired. Can you have a seat somewhere? We take a rest, maybe. Where? Sure, have a seat. Feeling good now? That's great. Oh, sure. Actually, how do you feel about Nini today?
Good.
Good.
Can't complain.
Don't complain. But you don't seem to be happy.
I am.
Actually, I'm sorry about the previous day, what happened with Scholar. I'm not into it. Sincerely speaking, I'm in love with you. And I want to marry you. Only if you give me a chance. Last time we talked about this, I said you will take your time and tell me when you're ready. Do you have the answers now? Or not yet? Or I still keep waiting?
No, you don't have to wait.
Mm.
Yeah, I think
Oh.
I have.
You are ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God. What a beautiful moment. Thank you very much, Princess.
And why me? Why not Scholar?
Because I love you. I don't love her. She's just forcing, forcing issues. I know we came from the same kingdom with her, but me, I don't love her. She's the one forcing. I only love my princess. I don't even know what to say. I'm feeling happy.
Why are you happy?
Because you've accepted my proposal.
Really?
Yes.
So
That
what's
means
your
a lot
plan?
to me. So I must plan and arrange for...
What?
Give it that. Give it that. How are you? Come on, princess. You are blushing, I see.
It's okay.
I'm happy actually.
Alright.
That's why I like walking with you, enjoying the nature, Come on, let's go.
Go home.
So what are we going to partake today?
Yams.
Don't
We have
you
yams.
like yams?
Yams
Awesome.
and sweet potatoes.
Oh, actually, yeah. It's awesome then. We'll be going because I don't trust the weather.
Me too.
I don't trust the weather. It
So
sounds
what's your
fine.
plan?
My plan?
Hi, how are you, my king? Come here.
On.
Come
I
here.
don't like this behavior, Susu. What's wrong with you?
What is it?
What is wrong with you?
I told you I love you.
I don't love you.
You must marry me.
Is it a must?
You see that girl
It's
from
not
the
a
other
must.
kingdom, you will not marry her.
Then what will you do?
I'll do something.
She's my woman.
She's not your woman.
You can't dare touch
I am
her.
your woman. See,
Let
my
me
king,
No.
let's not argue.
No.
Let's not argue about
Leave me,
this.
leave me.
I made something for you.
I don't want
it. Please take it.
Just do this.
Please.
Take it to that friend of yours. I don't know who
I
he
don't
is.
know him. I don't know him.
And
I told you it's
the
you that I
same-
want.
me-
Please, just take
I don't
him.
want you.
Take
No.
this. Please.
No.
Please, just listen to
Please,
me.
just do
Imagine she
this.
doesn't even know
Respect
anything
your-
about our clan.
You know what? Respect yourself, actually.
I know. I am
Mimi,
respecting myself by
don't
loving
love you.
Please.
Don't kneel down.
Please.
Don't kneel
Tell
down.
me you will marry me, then I will
I
wake
won't.
up. Please.
I have
Please.
my princess. Come on. What is wrong with this?
What's your problem? What do you want?
You want to remove my eye? I'm very sorry. They are heavy, eh? What's your name?
What's wrong with you?
What's your name? Just tell me your name. I just want to know your name.
I'm Princess.
You're Princess.
Yeah.
Oh, you look like one.
Yeah.
You're so beautiful.
Thank you.
Attractive. Yes, I just want to talk to you.
Do I know you?
No, you don't need to know me. See, okay,
What's
my
wrong
name
with
is
you?
Henry. Let me introduce myself right. Yeah? Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry about that. My name is Henry. And I'm so glad to meet a beautiful queen like you. A princess. Right?
It's okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So can we meet again? Sometimes later?
I don't think so.
Why?
I don't know you.
You don't need to know me. See, I also don't know you. I know you're getting tired. Huh? Let me help you to arrange them. Huh? Let me arrange them for you. Okay? They're good. Huh?
Yes.
Right? I'm very sorry for wasting your time. Huh?
It's okay.
See you later. So you're going home?
Yes.
Okay.
Bye.
You look beautiful.
I know. But thank you.
Thank you. But the most important thing is that you said thank you. Right? Hey! Wow. I've even forgot my way. Yes, see you later.
Okay.
Some other time, eh? Ah, this kind of beauty. Oh, Malicha. Hey.
Where do you think we're going to? Finally, I've met you alone.
What's wrong with you?
What's your mission in this kingdom?
Leave me alone.
What is your mission?
Leave me alone.
Answer my question. What is your mission in this
I
kingdom?
don't know. Leave me alone.
See, Nelson is my man. And if I see you anywhere close to him,
Just shut up.
again,
Leave me. He's also my man.
I'm talking to you. You know I can take you back to your kingdom.
And what are you waiting for?
Don't dare me, please.
Where are you waiting?
Don't
What
dare.
can you?
I'm warning you. If
I'm
I
warning
see you
you too.
anywhere close to Nelson, I swear to God I'm going to kill you. Leave that man alone.
And what are you waiting for?
Leave that man alone.
Leave him.
I will not warn you again.
He's my man.
He's my man.
Actually, we are getting married.
He is my
I
man.
don't
We
care.
will see. I will come
I
to
don't
bring that
care.
marriage.
I don't care.
This is even our firewood from our kingdom. Go
Are
get
you
your
crazy?
firewood.
Yes.
Ah, my man.
Yes. How are you? I remembered I met you. We met.
Where?
We met, but in a bad. It was in a bad way. How are you?
I'm just fine. I'm just walking around this our massive forest. See if I can see something good.
Ah, that's great. Yeah. Today, I remember the other time that we met. It was a bad incident.
Indeed.
Yeah. Yeah.
I saw you with my princess. I don't know what you guys were talking about.
No, she's yours.
Indeed, she's mine.
But that girl is very beautiful. Bro.
You know she's not from this kingdom.
And I noticed because even the marks in her body, they're very.
But there is this girl called Scholar.
That stupid. That a walking placenta.
That girl will ruin everything. I can tell you that.
Huh?
I can see it.
I understand.
Hey, my man.
You know, I even wondered what was actually happening that day. Because after that is when I went and sat down with my sister. Then I asked myself, is this really Scholar?
Hey, Scholar
that girl is very
becoming a trouble in this kingdom. And even you.
No, actually.
My princess, please.
Let me tell you what happened. What happened that day? You know, as I was passing, I was actually looking for firewood with my sister. Then I decided to do this. Then I decided that let me move around. As I was moving around, I found the girl crying. What was happening? Because that is how
Scholar was the trouble here.
Scholar.
That girl is a troublemaker. I don't know what we'll do. But
she, you know, there are sometimes later I admired her, you know. I thought that beauty had brains. It was very empty.
Nowadays I can't just be in peace. Everywhere I go, she's here. At you're my king. I want to marry you. Yeah, like, man, I'm even tired with her.
But she's dying for you, man.
Me, I'm not into her.
Because for a lady to carry such like a courage to come and face you, even in front of a woman,
she will ruin everything.
That's 1.5 woman.
But as for now, at least I'm planning to marry my princess now. I will see what she'll do.
But that girl is very beautiful. She's very beautiful.
Just tell every man in this kingdom, she's my woman. Yes.
But
yo, sir.
No, it was just on a light note. You know, even for me, if I can meet such like a girl, I will never.
You can just jump into the next kingdom.
But if the people from that kingdom look like that girl, I swear, I'll go there.
Well, one day, in one of the fine days, we will go there and meet the people from the. But
I'll come and greet you. So you said you are leaving? Oh, you are coming from the family of Mr. Nelson,
yes, right? I'm Mr. Nelson. Actually.
You are Nelson.
I know you. Yeah, I know you, Mr.
Henry,
yes. Yeah, that's it.
But she called me, that's why I knew. the stupid Scholar.
Definitely.
So my man, I was going this direction.
I was just moving around this forest.
We shall meet.
We will talk.
We shall meet.
We will talk.
I will make sure that I come and see Princess once again.
Yo, no. But talk to Scholar. Talk to Scholar.
Scholar.
Yeah.
Leave alone that walking class.
Talk to her, sir. You have a nice day.
It's okay.
Okay, sir.
Nice day.
Oh, you too.